Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? In today's video is going to be a review video about a skincare product which I have been using and testing, you can say, for a long period of time right now. And as I have mentioned in the title, I'm gonna talk about Dot & Key Exfoliating Serum. So before I start the video, I just wanted to say that I'm not a skincare expert. I am sharing my review, my personal experience with this product with you. On top of that, I thought it would be a good idea and it will be helpful for you if I share my review with you. This is basically a chemical exfoliator and it has 10% AHA and 2% BHA, which I'm going to talk about quite in a while. But before that, I'm going to talk about the packaging. The packaging is actually a cardboard packaging which is very functional and easy to use, and you can open it from over here and then you can take the product out, which I think is a great idea. On top of the product, they have mentioned all the ingredients that they have used in this product and also the direction to use it. Also, I wanted to say that before using any skincare product, you make sure you read the ingredients and also the direction to use it. And this bottle is a cute plastic container with a dropper inside it, which is very easy to use. Let's talk about what is chemical exfoliator. These chemicals are very good for your skin, like salicylic acid, glycolic acid and lactic acid. Now these products are advanced skincare and completely different from the physical exfoliator, because when it comes to physical exfoliator, we mostly use scrub. Now I'll talk about what is AHA and BHA. And I'm going to explain the way I actually understand, and I have done a little research on my side. AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid, and basically what we are talking about is glycolic acid and lactic acid. AHA basically works on the top layer of our skin and it removes the dead skin from our skin and unclog our pores. And BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid, and a known ingredient for it is salicylic acid. What it does is it gets one layer deeper into the skin, clear out the pore, and it also helps us reduce the acne problem. As you can see over here, I have pretty much used the product and I hardly have any product left in this container. So before you use the product, make sure your skin is clean and completely dry. What I will do is I'll apply directly on my skin from the dropper. 4 to 5 drops are actually enough. So all you need to do is apply it or spread it all over your face. Make sure you do not go any closer to your eyes. Before you apply the product, make sure you do a patch test on your neck or on your hand to make sure that you are not allergic or you don't have any rashes from it. You make sure that you read the instruction carefully before applying the product, because it's mentioned all over the packaging that you are not supposed to use it near your eye, or if there is any open wound, you might not like it. And this product will give you a slightly tingling sensation that you are not to be worried about. And if you are getting any burning sensation that you cannot really bear, or if your skin is getting red, then take away immediately. So yeah, I'm back after washing my face. So I'll leave my face like this. I will not apply any moisturizer or anything right away. I'll keep it like this for 10 to 15 more minutes. And then after that, I'll apply a little amount of moisturizer. Before you apply this product, make sure you apply some toner, then keep it for a while. Then when your face is dry, apply the product. So basically before applying this product, you cleanse and tone your face, then you apply this product. So now we will move on to the important part, what it did to my skin and what is my experience with this product. I used to have a lot of pimples, as you can see over here on my face right now, that I have a lot of spots going on over here. These are pimple spots, like literally all over my face. And this product has helped me reducing the pimple. It's not that I do not have pimple at all. I do. You can see it over here right away. It was fresh yesterday. But the amount of pimples I used to have is way much reduced right now. And another thing I have noticed that my skin feels very clean. Basically, I wouldn't say it's a product that will give you miraculous results overnight. If you are not having a good lifestyle, good eating habit and good sleeping habit, you will not have a clear skin ever. Skincare is a process, it's a journey. This product has definitely helped me having a clean face face and a smoother surface. Last and very important thing is that make sure you apply this product at night because this product is photosensitive. And make sure you use a sunscreen in the daytime with minimum 50 SPF. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And also I hope that I have touched all the grounds while explaining the product. If you have any question regarding this product, make sure you ask me in the comment box down below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. Bye.